it's on. Let's go. What is going on, guys? I am finally back with another F10 video for you. Today I'm gonna show you how to code the launch control on one of these. If you don't have that enabled by default like myself, if you don't have Sport Plus, then you don't have launch control on your car by default. So you need to code it, and I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. So the two things I'm gonna be using to get my coding done is my MHD Wi-Fi wireless adapter, and of course my tablet and a BimmerCode app. So that's what you're gonna need to get the coding finished. So first things first, we're gonna pop our wireless adapter in and then bring it up on the tablet. Alright, so you wanna go to settings on your device, go to Wi-Fi, and then find your MHD adapter, connect. It disconnected from my home Wi-Fi and it connected to my MHD adapter. By the way, if you're doing this for the first time, the password for the Wi-Fi on your MHD, it's printed right on the device. Alright, now that we are connected, we're gonna get rid of this and then go to BimmerCode and then connect through the app. Alright, you want to choose your series. Mine's already selected on 5. Now it's reading the ECU. %, almost there. Boom. So now what you want to do is find your it was already wait, electronic transmission control. Sport automatic transmission, it's not active, but it is now. Hit OK. Now also hit the expert mode. Sure. I think it's this one. Yep. So application and then launch LC all the way at the bottom here for launch control active. Alright, so we're good there. We can come back here. Now all our stuff is set and ready to code. Just very important, make sure all your AC, radio, everything is off. We're gonna kill the lights here, and then all that has to be on during coding is your accessory. That's it. Let's hit code. Warning, Shua, coding. That's it, it's done. It's already restarting. I'm telling you guys, that Wi-Fi adapter, how many times I've coded, it is so fast. Clearing errors, done. Coding complete. What I usually do is give it like a second, and then kill the accessory, and then just start the car. Disconnect, and then just start the car, and we are good. Now let's see, let's drive the car around, bring it to operating temperature, and see if we can throw it in launch control. Woohoo! Alright guys, so I kind of mastered how to do this
So you want your DTC, not DCS, off. This one all the way to the left, you'll have S1 selected. Now what you want to do is floor the brake pedal and then floor the gas. It's on. Let's go. Well, that's how you do it. This is awesome. Well, I can't go too crazy because it is a public road here still, so, but you saw it come on. It's awesome. Now you'll have a control launch on your car.
Well, there you guys have it. I hope you won't have any issue coding or using launch control. And if you do, drop a question in the comment section and I'll help you out. The coding part was actually the easiest part. Learning how to turn the launch control on was a bit tricky for me, but after a couple of tries and learning that you need to actually turn the DTC off, not DCS off, after that it was a breeze. Works every time. I'm so excited to keep using it. And as usual, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It really helps a lot. See you in the next one.